Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can create a custom scroll bar into your. So as you can see into the right side, this is a Google scroll bar. So we will going to customize it and showing you how you do it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we need to come over into our Visual Studio Code, and from here we need to open our asset folder and we need to go for the CSS style.css over here and come over into the end, and then here we can simply type to colon, give a dash, and then we can type here webkit-scrollbar and then give a curly brackets. Into the curly brackets we're going to add the width, and the width should be 15px, and we can simply save everything. And now if we just go for the live server, as you can see there is nothing a scroll bar over here. So if we just show you side by side, that can help you to understand what's going on into this code and to the end. So now we're going to add another two clone, give a dash, give a webkit, and into the webkit we can simply add a scroll bar and give a dash and the type here track and give some curly brackets. Into the curly brackets we can simply add the background. Into the background color we can simply add hash d1e5ff. We can simply save everything, and now as you can see here is the scroll bar is looking like this. So we will going to do another. So now we're going to add the thumb. So for that we're going to give to clone, give a dash and type here webkit dash scroll bar, and we're going to give another dash and then add the thumb, give the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets we can simply add the background, not the color, only the background. And to the background we can simply add a linear gradient. So type here linear gradient. Into the linear gradient we can simply add two color. We're going to add this color 6'2" BFF, going to give the comma, not here, into the bracket, and then we're going to add another color called hash ff22, and we can simply save everything. And right now here you can simply see a customized scroll bar into your right side. So this is how we can simply add a custom scroll bar by simply this command, as you can see, into your style.css. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.